Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. You are watching corridor lift lobby area. In this video, we are showing you a 3-bedroom apartment for sale in NCC URBAN ONE Narsingi. You are watching the main entrance of the apartment. It is 1535 SFT east facing apartment, which is a corner apartment, ready to move and brand new apartment. Price of this apartment is 1 crore 60 lakhs. You are watching the drawing area, dining area and living area. Near dining there is a wash basin on this side and it is a straight hall. 1.6 crores price is negotiable. This is the your balcony area, and from the balcony towards the sports activity area view, which is cricket practicing net and clubhouse, landscaping gardens, pathways, sitting areas, and other side you have a kids play area view and full basketball court and towers view. NCC URBAN ONE spread across 20 acres, 12 towers, 1,300 families. Families are residing in this project, and it is centrally located to the Gachibowli Financial District, Narsingi, Kokapet, all these locations. And you are watching the kitchen. In kitchen there is a L-shaped platform, and other side also you have a platform. If you are interested, kindly watch the video till the end, and if you like this property, please contact us on display number. And this is a LPG meter, gas and pipe connection is there. It is a ready to move property. This is the master bedroom. These apartments are spacious apartments, and it has 2 windows, and from master bedroom window also you have a good view towards the landscaping gardens and sports activity side from your master bedroom window, and that is your master bedroom attached washroom. This side there are 2 bedrooms, and this is your children's bedroom, which has very beautiful view towards the sports area. Your kids will enjoy this. One side is towards the landscaping gardens and sitting area, and the other side you have a big window. From there you can see your kids play area and basketball court and towers view, and which is a corner apartment, 100% privacy you have. And this is the attached washroom to the second bedroom, your children's bedroom, and it is complete 3-bedroom apartment. This one is the 3rd bedroom. With attached washroom. NCC URBAN ONE located centrally for all hospitals, schools, malls, IT companies, outer ring road, between exit number 18A and exit number 1. It is an emerging location. If you are interested, please contact us on display number. If you are watching first time our videos, kindly like, share our videos and subscribe our channel for more real estate videos like this video. Thank you.